People.
Test of a man's good name, his acceptance of failure, and losing a game with a smile and a handshake, quiet ever building rage. I got knocked around in a real small town, and they poked and they prodded, and marched me around for a laugh in the snow, tried to tear a good man's soul. A beggar's bargain's too much time, space to get lost in a swamp or a road, two if you can let it go. Blood's thick, the water's deeper, the wine works fine, the whiskey's cheaper. Now turn it around, quick before your sun goes down. Lock is rusted and the key won't turn. Front yard's mirrored and the sun just burns. Old porch missing a bolt or two. Mailbox hanging from a lone screw. There's a broken window around to the side, and I could get in if I really tried. What would I do? Just be looking for you. Some memories are better left alone. I'd probably learn real fast if I go digging through the past. Just get cut right back down deep into the bone. So I move along. Got no business climbing back the broken window.
Memories start to crawl around at night time, trying to steal what little is left of my mind. They don't scare me like they used to. I never hardly ever even think about him sometimes. Sometimes I almost convince myself that he's not on my mind. Then again, I think I hear him in the drive. Lost time. I was on occasion days I just can't find. Picking up the phone and no one's on the line. I surprise myself I'm doing this well. I never hardly ever even think about him sometimes.
American by birth and southern by the race.
orange fell off. That's a sticker on a black shirt, but it's also a tattoo inked on my dick. Taking pictures of my mama while she's trying to take a shit. Then I'm throwing rocks and cripples and I laugh from naked head. Got my finger out and Walmart, then I'm popping my sister's zip. Checking off my neighbor's dog, I love their red and white shit.
Push my body to the brink. The only friend come with me is the coffee that I drink. Hope I don't find trouble, hope it goes real easy. Saying think I can fight blood nuts and make me queasy. I'm paranoid. I'm paranoid. When you're running this much where you can't avoid. Getting paranoid. Always crashing to me like an asteroid. Trees taller than the hills. Ain't gonna turn back now. My mind almost built. I'm just the same as anyone, and underneath that mighty sun, I've never been one for working, rather make another run. I'm paranoid. Paranoid. This much way you can't avoid. Getting paranoid. Worries crashing to me like an asteroid.
All everybody.